You can start making thousands dollar in PayPal money from Google. Yeah, that's true. I'm going to show you the make money online methods in this video. This is it's using Google to earn thousands dollar every month. So simply we jump back into actions. We are going to Google, but not like Google. We are exactly going to the apps that we are using that is provided by Google. So we browse through Google Skillshop. So the address is skillshop.withgoogle.com. This is a Google site. Definitely it's a Google site, but it's the Google skill shop where you learn skills and they provide certificates. You can believe this is a really professional way to and free way to get Google certificates. So skillshop.withgoogle.com is the website that is backed by Google, and you can simply go over to their explore sections. They have already lots of courses on Google Ads related courses, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, Google Ad Manager, Google Ad Mob, Authorized Buyer, Ways, anything you like, and you can get certificates of these like Ways, Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy. These are all courses. Those are professional courses, and they provide certificate when you complete that course. So it's really easy and very good and free way to get Google certificates. So anything you like, I prefer Google Ads. So if I just go over to Google Ads, you can see that Google Ads have some courses around Google Ads search, Google Ads discovery, Google Ads building, Google Ads mobile, Google Ads apps. All these are short courses that you can do for free. Simply log in using your Gmail account and you're good to go to do these courses. And when you complete those courses, they are very easy to complete and they are very easy to learn their skills, and you simply complete that course and you will get certificate. And this is a valuable certificate. This is not like any cheap certificates or anything like that. This is the certificate. This is provided by Google that will definitely make you a good impressions to the world that you definitely, you surely know that skills because Google give that certificate to you. So what is the purpose of this video is we use these skills to earn more money. So how we can do that? We definitely freelance that on freelancing platforms. So simply we go over to people's per hour. If you just go over to people's per hour, this is a comparatively a lower competitive sites than Fiverr, but you can do it on Fiverr as well. But if you just go over to people per hour and search for like Google Ads, there you can see that Google Ads, if you search like Google Ads, you can see people are making good amount of money using these Google Ads gigs. You can see they are managing Google Ads, they are planning Google Ads, they are optimizing Google Ads, and all these can be learned in here. This is an official Google Ads training academy that you can learn that skills and sell that skills on freelancing sites like people per hour. And also if I just go over to Fiverr and search Google Ads, you can see that there are also lots of gigs. People are making money from selling these Google Ads skills, Google Ads gigs. But this is not limited to Google Ads. You can just select any certificate course you want and you can get that gigs on people's per hour and you can sell that gigs as well. So you are really good to go, simply free to earn money, and you just simply learn something from Google Ads and sell your gigs on people's per hour. And this is a comparatively new idea. The competition is much less here, so you jump back into actions right now, and definitely when you post your gigs, it will take some times to get your first or two orders, but when you did, you can just simply share your gigs. When you create a gigs, you can share it on various platforms like Quora, like answers.com, and answer people's questions about Google ads or something like that, and say that if you just want to Google ad service, you can go over, you can paste there your link, or drive your those peoples to your gigs, and you definitely in no time you will get your first sale. And when you get your first or one or two sales, it's an automatic process, it's a snowball effect, you will get more sales, so on later on, and this is going to be awesome. So you can simply not work in one freelancing sites, open all the freelancing sites out there, go to Fiverr, go to People's Para, and all those freelancing sites, and upload your gigs, and you can definitely earn a good amount of money, thousands dollar. People are making 500, 200, 700, you can see. So making thousands dollar every month is very easy if you just work regularly in this way. So this is it, guys. This is the method, today's method. If you just like this method, you simply hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos and stay with my channels. Every day new video getting uploaded. So till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.